Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. So a customer of mine ordered a set of cuttings, so I take this opportunity to present to you or to demonstrate to you how I prepare or repack cuttings. So this is my own technique. You may or you may not apply it. So first thing to do is to prepare the materials. You have the pair of scissors, the cutter, plastic bag, a glass of water, masking tape, a pen where you're going to write the ID, and cotton. So first thing to do, there is your stem or cutting. Make it sure you have to prepare press cuttings. So you have to cut all the leaves. And for security purposes, you also remove the thorns. You may cut all the leaves, but I prefer to leave some leaves. There. Then get the cotton and wrap the lower tip with it. Then lock the area with a masking tape. Then soak the area into the water and squeeze. Then place this cutting inside the plastic bag. There. And once again, wrap the area with a masking tape. There. Why do you have to do this? So that it will maintain the freshness of your cutting, which is good for 3 to 5 days. Then place the name tag or the identification in the plastic or on the plastic. There you are. Thank you very much, and I hope this video will help you prepare your cuttings soon. Bye and good day.